we will be looking at the robotic process automation example. Let us consider a discussion between John and Jamie. John is very curious and wants to know how and where RPA is used in different fields. Jamie, being a developer, helps John in understanding the RPA examples. Even if you are curious to know the applications of RPA, then you are at the right place. So let's get started. The first example is customer service. Let's look at the problem statement. A customer representative must understand and solve the customer queries, carry out the necessary actions by switching between the various softwares and applications, and inform the customer. Customers must wait while the representative is busy dealing with data, sometimes asking for information that has already been requested. This tends to decrease customer satisfaction and extends call duration. The solution requires identifying frequently asked customer questions, assessing customer representative actions in response to those questions, and developing RPA solutions to facilitate those questions. When several sets of information need to be coordinated across systems, the customer service representative can launch a bot. The bot completes all actions in seconds with the press of a button. For frequently asked questions, a dashboard can be created. A customer service representative will fill out the necessary information to receive the queries, and bots will use that data in multiple systems to complete the transaction. Let's look at an example. Consider a scenario where a company was providing support to the client, and the company was supposed to handle a large number of calls, approximately 20,000 calls per month, which required a significant amount of time spent in the support team. Because of the system's complexity, an executive's average time was about 10 minutes, as the system was inefficient and slow, resulting in a poor customer service. With the RPA solution, the organization gained a virtual team that can complete the task in less than a minute, resulting in a drastic reduction in execution time. The RPA bot performs the following tasks: loading a comprehensive customer profile, obtaining a detailed billing information, user preferences and other user information are being updated, resolving common but simple customer issues. Let's look at the second example, financial service. Financial service involves compiling and combining financial information from various departments and storing the records in a system. Data is manually extracted from a bank statements to reconcile documents and link them to its forms using detailed spreadsheets. To complete the reports, business rely on Excel, legacy software, and manual labor, which is tedious and time-consuming. Solution: robots can generate invoices in seconds, prompting clients to pay more quickly. RPA in financial services tracks and standardizes and validates payments, processes orders and avoids errors, and is always on top of things. Such a disciplined assistant makes the customer's experience less stressful, adding value to the service provider. RPA in finance eliminates the need for endless email correspondence and ensures a smooth payment approval process, matches invoices to responsible parties, and sets deadline reminders. Automated data entry speeds up the process and relieves human employees of huge tasks. This enables precise and structured invoice processing. Consider a financial service company that's having difficulty extracting data from financial documents efficiently and accurately in order to generate ratings. Using RPA, company implemented an application that recognized and processed data. This enabled the client to quickly and cost-effectively automate. The tasks performed by RPA bots in financial service are investment management, reconciliation of bank statements, organizing the finances, record of accounts receivables and pay. The third example is HR service. This operation includes numerous routine steps such as interview scheduling, record keeping, resume screening, candidate shortlisting, induction training, and onboarding. Hiring and firing place a significant burden on HR and other support functions such as IT, security, and facilities management, particularly for medium and large businesses. While it is expensive to build a solution that encompasses all of these functions and completes the necessary tasks for new or departing employees, some employees can be sloppy with recording absences, vacation, or in general, using the existing absence management system. So the possible solution for this is RPA can be used to collect and screen resumes and online application forms, conduct through background checks, and compare the information to all relevant job requisitions. This allows the best candidates to be shortlisted. RPA can be used quickly to create offer letters for new employees that are both personalized and accurate. It can also validate records by cross-checking data such as absentees reports against time logged in the corporate network and alerting when information is missing or inconsistent. Talent acquisition team of a company automated aspects of onboarding process for new employees. Previously, the onboarding paperwork was completed manually by one person, consuming a significant amount of employees' time that could have been spent on more valuable work. This type of work that no one wants to do day after day. The company understands that an HR department wants to provide a digital and straightforward experience. The task required a lot of copy and paste activities. With the implementation of RPA, the bot completed the onboarding paperwork in less time, allowing HRs to spend more time on corporate social responsibilities, hiring talent, initiatives, and improving a company's reputation. The tasks performed by RPA bots in HR service are screening resumes, onboarding of new hires, attendance management, induction and training, employment management, and survey report. The fourth example is telecom service. The telecommunications industry involves high frequency of manual, repetitive, rules-based processes, all of which are critical for providing appropriate service delivery. Thus, the foundation of telecommunications is made up of processes that are highly amenable to automation. For telecommunication companies looking to improve their customer service, high reliability and accuracy of process outcomes are required. Solution: the use of robotic process automation in telecom reduces error rates to close to zero, improves data quality, improves customer service, and increases operational efficiency, all while contributing significantly to cost reduction. RPA technology can capture the business process task performed by a telecom company's employees. Based on the employee's action, a well-structured workflow can be generated, which serves as the foundation for automated process. By mapping each process step with its significant cost for manual execution, it is simple to determine which action should be automated to maximize return on the investment. Consider an example: a telecommunications and media company decided to automate its order creation and service removal process to cut costs associated with the company's speed booster discount service and deal with a massive amount of transactional data. With the implementation of RPA, it becomes simple to automate the order build process and service removal activity. The tasks performed by RPA bots in telecom service are: it checks on the credit and SIM card swapping, resolution of customer complaints, porting customer phone numbers, responding to questions from partners. The fifth example is healthcare service. Healthcare systems contain numerous burdensome tasks that involve significant resource allocation, such as claim management. This results in high operational cost and slow process. Every industry has inefficiencies, but few face the healthcare industry's challenges. Strict regulations regarding patient data and lack of resources to deal with such rules. Billing takes time after a healthcare service is provided due to manual and repetitive tasks in the management process. Management process include document and data input, processing, and evaluation in addition to the automating time-consuming tasks. Patients can schedule appointments without the intervention of hospital employees, credit to RPA technology. Along with eliminating the need of resource allocation for scheduling, by allowing patients to reschedule appointments more quickly, this application can improve customer relations. RPA allows healthcare providers to track and document each process step in structured log files to comply with external audits. RPA improves data confidentiality because bots handle this process. Let's consider an example. Daily, a healthcare organization deals with the process of patient transaction data, customer detail recording, claims to the process, and data reconciliation for healthcare schemes are some of the manual processes they must streamline daily. The primary goal was to increase the efficiency of existing approaches to achieve greater accuracy with reduced turnaround time. Robotic process automation was implemented and the most significant possible impact was obtained. RPA platform handled claims processing and health data reconciliation program. Healthcare was able to reduce turnaround time with this solution. The tasks performed by RPA bots in healthcare service are appointment scheduling, regulatory compliance, data entry, and supporting analytics to improve treatment.